In this video, I will show you how to reset your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick remote back to default. So if for some reasons the remote control is not just working or some buttons are not actually responding with the TV, by simply resetting the remote control, you might just be able to fix this issue. So to reset the remote, first things first, you want to go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall socket. Now, this is different from turning off the TV. Just go ahead and unplug it from the wall socket. Now, once your TV is unplugged from the wall socket, you want to come over to the back of your remote control, and then you want to go ahead and pull out the back battery cover. Now, go ahead and pull out both batteries from the remote control, just like so. Now, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and long press on the power button for about 2 minutes. So just continuously press like so for about 2 minutes. And after the 2 minutes must have exhausted, you want to go ahead and put back the batteries of the remote control, just like so. Make sure that they are properly fixed. Now you want to go ahead and cover it up with the battery cover. Now you want to go ahead and plug back your TV to the wall socket. Now once the TV must have been properly turned on, you want to come over to your remote control again, and then you want to go ahead and simultaneously press on the menu button over here and the home button at the end over here. Now in some Xiaomi Mi TV Stick remote, you're going to get the menu button and the Mi button. But whatever it is on your remote control, just go ahead and press the button at this end and the button at this end simultaneously for about 5 minutes. So just go ahead and press on it like so. Now, your TV is going to display this menu asking you to pair your remote control with the TV. Now, what you just want to do is to go ahead and press on the two buttons again. And like so, your remote control will be paired with the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick over here. Now, I can go ahead and use my remote control and you can literally see that it works perfectly well. So basically, that is how to reset your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick remote control and fix any issue that is probably wrong with the remote control. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.